it's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards again. I have a 6-ball random runout I'm going to do, sequential runout. I'll toss them on the table. Alright, so we got the 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3's in a bad position already, the 4's in a crappy position. This is a little tricky here. Backwards. 2 here, but 3 is going that way. The only problem is the 2, I'm going to have to do a combo that way once I bring it back. So I'm going to go up and down. There we go, get a little right English on that. Really nice speed, except for this pole's in my way. Oh, maybe not. No, just missed it. 4's right there, so that's very good. Good. So I gotta bring it back for the 5. Dog's hair is coming on the table here. This is a little tricky. I don't want to get on it like that. Oh boy. Alright, gonna try to go side. Oh wow. That was a real hard shot. Now I got a crap shot on this. I'm gonna try it straight in. Watch the scratch. Get it, but don't scratch. Oh, nice. Woo! Excellent.